Now let's take a look at the video settings on the drone. So let's click on video, and then you'll see there'll be normal or slow motion come up. We'll click on the normal button, and then you've got the resolution there. So we're currently at 4K and 25 frames per second. So this could be changed at the top. By sliding it along to the different frames rates up to 60 frames per second under this particular heading. If we now click back on the video button, we'll go back into slow motion, and this will bring up a different resolution of 120 frames a second, but you can only do that in 1080. It won't work in 4K. So let's go back to the video again and back to the three dots at the top, and that'll bring up the camera settings. Now when you're in video, you'll see that this has a different layout with different headings for video compared to still images. Let me show you. So we'll click on the camera, back to photo, still images rather than video, and click on the three icons at the top, and up will come the camera settings, and the format is different here and the headings are different. So in conclusion, the Mavic 3 Mini is an extremely capable drone. It can fly in strong winds, it's under the 250 gram limit, and for around £1,000 with the full combo pack and the smart controller, this drone is packed with features and punches well above its weight. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.